Alright guys, Bowman, Sterling, baseball tonight. A fresh case that we can go through and pick out which two boxes we want to do. Bowman, Sterling. Which ones do you think we should do? Any thoughts? Left, right, and then we'll go from there. We'll do the right, it's closest. And then we'll just pick the top two. There we go. Bowman Sterling time, guys. Good luck. Bowman Sterling. First one, you've got Refractor, Astros, Carlos Correa. That one, number to 199. So we got an atomic on the back. Dodgers, Granholms. Granholms for Dodgers. Next one, you've got Cleveland Indians. Francisco Lindor. Francisco Lindor. And an atomic, number to 10. Arizona Diamondbacks, Chris Owings. Number to 10, Chris Owings. Atomic. Got Tyler Golick for the Marlins. Blue Jays, Jeff Hoffman. Jeff Hoffman for Blue Jays. Refractor number to 1/25, Cleveland Indians. Bradley Zimmer. Bradley Zimmer. And a base, Atlanta's Braxton Davidson. Got Yan Jervis Solarte, Padres, Refractor 2/199. Atlanta Braves, Aaron Ashcraft. Boston Red Sox, Blake Swihart. Blake Swihart, the Red Sox. Marlins rookie pitcher Andrew Haney. Andrew Haney for Marlins. Got a Dominic Smith, New York Mets. On card for the Atlanta Braves, Lucas Sims. Lucas Sims, the Braves. Minnesota Twins base, Miguel Sano. Miguel Sano. Refractor, number 2/25 for the Atlanta Braves. Jose Peraza. Jose Peraza for the Braves. Got Kyle Parker, base, rookie for the Rocks. Got a Chicago Cubby pitcher, C.J. Edwards. C.J. Edwards. Got a Colorado Rocky base auto, Tom Murphy. Tommy Murphy. And another base. This one, Red Sox, Michael Kopech. The Red Sox, Michael Kopech. Got a Chris Bryant base for the Cubs. Got another Atomic. So 2 Atomics in the same box. This one is numbered to 10 for the Yankees, Gary Sanchez. Gary Sanchez, Atomic for the Yanks. Minnesota Twins, Kenny Vargas. Kenny Vargas. And a refractor to 125. Houston Astros, Derek Fisher. Derek Fisher finishing box 1. Box number 2, then we'll call it a night. Then tomorrow night we've got Spectra and Tier 1, I believe. Spectra Basketball, Tier 1 Baseball, I believe. Got a refractor, Stephen Romero, Seattle Mariners to 199. Boston, Eduardo Rodriguez. Pitcher for the Pittsburgh Pirates, Tyler Glasnow. Got Yangervis Solarte, San Diego Padres. Got Luis Severino, base for the Yankees. Refractor 275. Refractor 275 for the Atlanta Braves, Jason Hirsch. Jason Hirsch. Base on card, pitcher for the Nationals, Eric Fetty. Eric Fetty. And a rookie auto, number 250, another pitcher, Washington Nationals, on card, Lucas Giolito. Lucas Giolito. Got Jorge Alfaro, Texas Rangers. Got Micah Johnson, White Sox. Blue Jays, Max Pentecost. Max Pentecost for Blue Jays. And a base on card, Pittsburgh Pirates, Austin Meadows. Got Julio Urias, Dodgers. Refractor number 250. Minnesota Twins. You got Eddie Rosario for the Twins. Kansas City Royals base, Brandon Finnegan. Kansas City Royals base again. Jorge Bonifacio. Back-to-back Royals. Jorge Bonifacio. Got James Paxton. Seattle Mariners. Washington's A.J. Cole. Houston Astros, Delino DeShields. Delino DeShields for the Astros. Got redemption, Derek Fisher. The Astros. Got Luis Severino, Yankees. Refractor number /50. Boston's Michael Kopech. Giants base, Tyler Beatty. Tyler Beatty for Giants. And last card tonight is a base on card going to Cincinnati Reds. Outfielder, Billy Hamilton. Billy Hamilton for the Reds. Finishing off your Bowman Sterling tonight. So with that, guys, we'll hop off. Get this stuff on YouTube. Get it to the post office. And we'll see you tomorrow night.